So, welcome to Math Mechanics. Yung problem natin ngayon is under pa rin ng shear stress. So, solve na natin tong problem na to. So, the bracket is supported by 1/2 inch diameter pins at A and B. So, at A, tsaka sa B. The pin at B fits in the 45 angle slot in the bracket. Neglecting friction, determine the shear stresses in the pins, assuming single shear. So, paano natin to i-solve? So, analyze muna natin yung mismong problem natin, no? So, dito is magkakaroon tayo ng reaction, which is pataas. Then, magkakaroon tayo ng reaction na horizontal. So, Rx, then Ry. Then, etos magkakaroon ng reaction perpendicular to this, surface. So, lalagyan tayo ng ganyan. So, if 45 to, 45 yung matitira doon. So, 45 degrees din tong reaction na nandito. Kakaroon din tayo ng 45 degrees. Then 45 degrees. So, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Magsa-sum moment at B ba tayo? Or sum moment at A? O saan tayo mas madadalian? So, isipin muna natin. If magpo-moment tayo sa A, mawawala yung dalawang reaction na to. So, meron tayong reaction dito. So, try natin mag-moment sa A. Summation of moment at A is equal to 0, clockwise as positive. So, yung rotation na to is, lang to eh, ang tawag dito, assumption lang yan. So, if negative yung yung sign mo na nakuha dito, which means na mali yung rotation or mali yung direction ng force natin dito. So, etong force na 200 pounds pag mo-moment sa A, clockwise. So, meron tayong 200 multiplied by 36 inches. Multiplied by the 36 inches. Then, kukunin natin yung x component na ito, which is cosine of 45. Pangalanan natin itong RB. So, RB. RBX. Pero RB na lang. Gusto mo siya. So, paano siya mag-rotate niyan? If papunta siya doon, so mag-rotate siya counterclockwise. Kasi papunta siya dito yung natin papunta sa left yung arrow natin. So, minus RB cosine of 45 is equal to 0. So, makukuha na natin yung RB natin. RB now is equal to transpose. Meron tayong 200 multiplied by 36 all over the cosine of 45. So, RB now is equal to tayong 200 by 36 divided by cosine of 45. Meron tayong 10,000. 10,000 10,182 Ay, sorry, no? Di pala natin nalagay yung ano dito, yung distance kung saan siya mag-moment. So, may ibad. So, meron pa to. Kung saan siya mag-moment, which is 12 inches pala. Sorry. Then, meron pa tayong 12 inches dito. Kaya pala nagtataka ako, sobrang taas. So, meron tayong 200 multiplied by 36 divided by 12 cosine of 45. Meron tayong 848.5 48.5 281. Ano to? Pound. Kasi reaction yung kinuha natin. So, meron na tayong reaction at B, diba? Galing. Then, susunod yung Rx tsaka Ra naman. So, anong magandang gawin? Para makuha yung Ry, sum of forces in y direction na lang tayo. Summation of forces in y direction is equal to 0. So, yung ano natin, Ry natin, Ry plus yung Rb natin, which is Rby, which is Rb sine of 45 minus 200 is equal to 0. So, Ry is equal to 200 minus Rb. Just Rb natin is what? Rb. Ano yung Rb pala natin? 848.5 pala. 0.5281 pounds cosine, sine of 45. So, yung sagot natin ngayon is Ry is equal to what? 200 minus 0.5281 sine of 45. Tayo negative 399.9999. So, meron tayong 4,000. 400. Kasi 999 na yung mga kasunod. So, 400 na. 400 pound. Which means na yung Ry natin, imbes na pataas siya, yung reaction natin dapat is pababa. So, mali yung assumption natin dito. Ry natin pala is pababa Ry. So, we can, put a negative sign here para we can cancel the negative. Tama. So, Ry is equal to 400 pounds. Then, Rx naman. So, summation of forces. The next direction is equal to 0. So, meron tayong Rx, which is papunta dun sa right. Then, meron tayong Rb, cosine of 45, which is papunta sa left. Minus Rb, cosine of 45 is equal to 0. So, Ry now is equal to Rb, which is 848.5281. Cosine of 45. So, ilan to? So, but Ry, Rx pala dapat. Rx. So Rx now is equal to or 600. So we can, dapat kailangan natin makuha yung resultant dito, no? Para makuha natin yung shearing stress. So yung resultant ng Rx tsaka Ry R is equal to the square root of 600 squared plus 400 squared is equal to 721.1103. So, ito na ba yung sagot? No. So, pag wala tayong final answer, mali. So, hinahanap is shear stress in the pin. So, meron tayong tagwa 1/2 inch diameter. So, for pin A, so, shearing stress at A is equal to, which is yung resultant natin, which is 721.1103 pounds divided by pi over 4. So, 0.5 daw yung diameter, 0.5 squared inches squared. So, meron tayong sagot na 721.1103 divided by pi all over 4, 0.5 squared. So, meron tayong shear stress na, ay, wait lang, mali yung pagkakapindot ko. ay 3,672.5846 PSI. So, ito na yung final answer for A natin, no? Box natin. Then for B naman, the shearing stress at B is equal to, ilan yung B natin? 848.5281. 848.5281 pounds divided by the pi all over 4, 0.5 squared inches squared. So, pagpasensya nyo na yung sulat na. Tayong 848.5281 divided by pi all over 4, 1,321.5181 PSI. So, ito yung sagot for this problem. So, that's it for this, problem. So, diba, medyo, tricky lang siya pagdating dun sa mga angle. So, yun na yun.